He's always pushing me to do something with my life, like leave a mark. I haven't done, so.
You will.
Yeah, well, the last time we talked, it wasn't so good.
How so?
Told me he was a real.
Well, you could definitely be one on occasion. I wouldn't beat yourself up about that.
It's not that. I feel like I'm letting him down.
He loves you, Alex. Same way my dad loved me. It's not an easy love. But sometimes you have to take things as they are, not as you want them to be. And I know it's hard, but it's gonna be even harder if you're not there for him. By his side, believe me. And bring food, never fails.